guys, Miss Charlie here with the 2 Looks 1 palette using the new Glaminatrix Into the Night palette. I finally got this in the mail, anticipating it. I really enjoy Glaminatrix products. I have several of their palettes and have done several looks with them, and they are on my channel here. I will link them all below. They didn't do a pre-order this time, which they usually do, which takes about 2.5 months, depending on where you are, to get your pre-order. They didn't do a pre-order with this one, but it still took a month for me to get it. And this is an Australian brand, so it has to be, sent from Australia. But yeah, it still took a month to get it. So finally got it. I'm excited to use it. One of the shades did come a little bit wonky, but that's okay. I pressed her right back in and she's fine. I've had that happen with Glaminatrix shadows before and they repress just fine. I have no problems with the formula. It works just fine. But this is the box. It's beautiful blue, which is nice because that is my favorite color. And I'm gonna attempt to open it. It is hard to open when you have nails. So I'm gonna try to open this up here. This is a beautiful like velvet satin, but it's not textured, but it's like a satiny blue purple, which is absolutely stunning. This component here, this is raised, so it is a little like charm on there that is, raised. It's an actual charm that is glued on there, which I think is a lovely detail. I love the font on it, and the color again is just absolutely stunning, the blue purple. And this is what she looks like inside here. And again, this is the one that came a little wonky, but I pressed her back in. The colors are absolutely beautiful. At the time that I'm filming this, I have not swatched it yet, but I will put swatches on the screen for you before I show you my looks. But this is I think my 4th or 5th palette from them, and I love this brand. A lot of people said this color story was not to their liking, which is fine. I mean, it is a kind of jumbled up color story, but that's okay. I can work with it. I can see some looks that I can do, because this is like a grungy green, and then with this two together, that would be pretty, and it looks like this color would go together with that. The pinks as well. You can play with these two. You can play with these two here, these 3 here, those 4, these here. I can see plenty of combinations that I can use, but I'm going to do 2 looks using this palette, and those will be coming here shortly. If you pick this up, let me know. If you've already used it, let me know your thoughts. But I'll go ahead and get started and show you the swatches, and then we'll get into the 2 looks.